Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, July 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto. 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, July 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto. 2 PM draw result ngayon July 11, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, July 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 27.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 131 million pesos for July 11, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, July 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.